Another video. This video is just for the iPhone 12 users. Whoever has iPhone 12 and they are getting problems facing the issues while their Wi-Fi drops and battery issue after updates. When they make an update in the iPhone 12, the problems faces and Wi-Fi drops when the issue fixed when the updating. So let disclose some issues and problems in the iPhone 22. Okay, what is the biggest issue in the Wi-Fi dropping? Let us to fix and first of all, reset network setting in your iPhone 12. Go to setting icon and follow up the general, then go to the transfer or reset. You should follow up with reset and then reset network setting. This clear saved Wi-Fi configurations that can get corrupted after update. You will need to re-enter Wi-Fi password on it Wi-Fi setting reset fully. You have to update. You have to modify your Wi-Fi password again. Okay, another issue, another solution is forget and reconnect to the Wi-Fi. Follow up the setting icon, then Wi-Fi, then tap your network and forget this network and then reconnect and enter your password again. Okay, this is the just simple and tutorial video about the why your Wi-Fi dropping and what the issue you are facing. You can discuss on the comment sections as well as directly to my inbox. So I would recommend just the comment area. So let me show you my laptop screen where I am discussing some issues and problems. So you will have to understand one by one and step by step. Okay, this is the settings and you can see and understand the issues. Okay, forget and reconnect Wi-Fi, toggle airplane mode, save to control center and turn airplane mode on for 30 seconds then off. Force radio reset, disable Wi-Fi asset. How you can do? Follow up the setting icon and cellular and scroll down, turn off Wi-Fi asset. This can cause unexpected switching. Okay, another is check low power mode. Low power mode reduce background network activity, which can make Wi-Fi unstable, especially when the screen is off. Disable it if it's on, or test it with off. Okay, another issue that is battery drain. Let us to understand why the battery getting drained after an update and how you can fix it. Wait 22 to 48 hours after every major update. Your iPhone reindex its data for spotlight search. This process usually take 1 day to 2 days, during which rapid battery drain and warm are completely normal. Check battery health. How you can check? Follow up the setting icon and then battery section area and battery health and charging. If battery health has dropped significantly, then any new iOS release will highlight that problem. The cells simply have less capacity than they did originally. Okay, another issue is find the separate app setting icon, then follow up battery, then scroll down to see per app usage. If one really used app suddenly take the largest share of power, that the app may be misbehaving after the update. Follow up to uninstall that is better for you. So another is turn off background app refresh to make your iPhone 12 fully refreshed. That is setting app and general and background app refresh off. Okay, another is the disable location services for non-essential apps because it's really prohibited for the locations and you need to understand each and every problems while you are switching off and making your location turn off. Back another that is 6161 and reset all the settings last resort. Setting is setting icon, then follow up the general and transfer or reset. Reset setting is really supported and recommended for all of the iPhone 12 because resetting your phone will help you to make your phone refresh and reclone properly. So this is a quick checklist what you need to do, what you are to complete right now in your iPhone 12 to let the problem fix. Reset iPhone reset network setting, check battery health, disable background refresh, and reset all the settings. That's all for now. If nothing work, you may comment on the video and share your problem. I will try to make a unique tutorial, another tutorial for you on behalf of your request. That's all for now. We'll meet in another video. Thank you so much.